Oh, hello. Ba't ka napatawag?
So, Ben, I'm in a hurry kasi, pero there's this guy na si Jake. Hiningi niya yung contact number mo and I've given it to him, be. Ayun lang, bes. Bye!
What? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Hindi na siya nag-chat. Siguro ginost na ako neto. Hala?
Your privacy online is just as important as in real life. Before you share your personal information, think twice, respect your privacy, protect it.